shut, my eyes and my mouth and my legs just gave out. Why in the world would you hit me when I'm down? When I'm down, when I'm down, when I'm down, when I'm down.
Alright, got the yard cleaned up on this Sunday. We're gonna fly 75mm DJI 2S with my Radio Master Pocket. Yeah, just a chill Sunday doing yard work. Gonna fly the Whoop around now, so figured I'd bring you guys along and get some packs in around the house. I don't fly micros much, and when I do, it definitely ain't in my backyard. But it's not too bad, you just gotta be a little careful on the throttle. But I'm gonna get some packs in, maybe. Out of all these, I'll have these a couple good rips worthy of putting on here, but it's been a chill Sunday. I want to start doing this more. I want to do stuff around the house, maybe get the micro out and fly some packs, since I don't always get to go to the bando with the 5-inch. I can fly around the house with this guy. So, pretty good little quad. It's the Flywoo, AIO, DJI Lite, little RC and power motors. I think they're 1002s, but it's a fun little guy. Little hacked up canopy. I have some new canopies. I just hadn't put them on yet because, you know, I want to get here and fly for the sunset. So, let's get some more packs in. It's like every time I crash, I lose a prop. It's a good thing I stocked up on these things last year. I bought so many and then never fly my micros, but I think I got a good line going now. So let's see if we can't get it a little cleaner and not lose a prop. Who knows where it is? So we're gonna switch out to these sub 250. They're the same pitch and size, so just switch them out. Rock them for a little bit, try them out. Trying to find some lines through here, and I don't know. This is like I'm flying for the first time ever, because I never fly back here, but I think I found a pretty cool line. Going to the front yard and around the side. We'll see. Switch these props out and try again.
When you preachers read your best,
Alright, that was my last pack. I went through like 5 or 6 packs or whatever. So, yeah, it's my first time whooping around the house in a while. Well, it's kind of fun. I figured after I cleaned up today, cut the grass, I get a few packs in. If I can just remember, it's over here. Every time I crash though, I lose a prop. Not sure what that's all about. Which the prop shaft size and the motor shaft size, they're all the same. I don't know, maybe it's just this particular motor, the tolerances are off. A few times I've found the prop, but most of the time you don't, because they go to the moon. Man, I don't know where that thing went. But anyway, yeah, just a chill day. Flying some whoop around the house. I'm going to do some walking around and whooping here pretty soon. I just kind of wanted to get used to flying the whoop and making sure it's flying good before I take it out somewhere. You're never going to find that prop. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching. Sun's setting. Batteries are dead. Back to work tomorrow. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Y'all have a good one.